Hello students, in this video let me see about the methods of costing. We can classify the costing as specific order costing and the other one is operation costing. Job costing, batch costing, contract costing and unit or output costing will come under specific order costing. Here, the specific order costing methods are applicable to these separate jobs or batches. Now, let me see about job costing. So, under this method, costs are collected and accumulated for each job or work order. As each job can be separately identified as a separate job, cost sheet is prepared for each job. We can also say this is a system of costing where the items of direct cost are traced for a specific jobs or order. Each job involves different operations. So, the object of job costing is to ascertain the cost of each job separately. This method is applicable to printing presses, repairing shops, and shipbuilding companies. Now, let me see about batch costing. Under this method, the product orders are arranged in batches and each batch is treated as one job. So, the cost is collected for each batch separately. The total cost of a batch is ascertained. The same is divided by the number of units in the batch so as to know the cost per unit. All the units of a particular batch are uniform in nature and in size. So this type of costing is adapted by industries which are producing medicines, biscuits, spare parts and components. Next we will see about the contract costing. This method of contract costing is applied where the job is big and of longer duration. For each individual contract, we have to prepare a separate account so that this type of costing is similar to job costing but takes longer time. It is also known as terminal costing. Each contract is given a number for identification. It applies a concern like constructional work, roads, bridges and building etc. Now we will see about the output costing. This method is applicable to the industries where the production is continuous and units are identical. This method is applied in industries like brick making, flour mill, paper mill, etc. Next we will go to the operation costing. So operation costing method are applicable to mass production industries. The first one in the operating costing is process costing. So this process costing method is suitable for industries where production are continuous and is processed through different stages. The finished product of one process of raw material becomes the opening raw material of the subsequent process. Hence, a separate account is opened for each process. It is followed in textile industries, chemical industries and also in sugar manufacture also. The finished products are obtained at the end of each process. Next one is the operating costing. This method is suitable for industries which render service such as bus companies, electricity and railways. The cost of service is determined by its kilometers, hours and passengers per kilometer. The procedure of costing is broadly the same as per the process costing, except that cost unit is an operation instead of a process. Then each manufacturing process can be distinguished as a separate operation. So, the operation costing is confined to every minute operation of each process. Since this method provides for a more minute analysis of cost, it ensures greater accuracy and better control of cost. And the other one is multiple casting. This method is applicable to industries where a number of components are produced separately and assembled subsequently into a final product. It means the combination of two or more of the above methods. This system of casting is adapted in manufacturing concerns where a variety of parts are produced separately and later it is assembled into a final product. The total cost consists of a cost of all the parts which go to make a final product. It is also known as composite casting. We can also say one system of casting cannot be applied due to the fact each component differs from the other in respect of materials and manufacturing process. Therefore, we can say it is a system of different methods such as job casting, unit casting, operation casting. This type of casting is in force in industries where cycles, radios, typewriters are produced. So, these are the methods of casting. Let me see a new topic in the next video.